Okay, Diamonds, this is your teacher Usman Ali, lecturer, Cardan University. Okay, so here we are in the customer section. Actually, this is actually the first video related to the customer menu, and in this video we will actually try to create a new customer here. Okay, so to create a new customer, what you're gonna do is that you will click on the customers menu, and then you will click on the customer center option. So the customer center is exactly the same thing as what we studied in the vendors here in the vendor center. There is no difference. The only difference here is that the vendors are those individuals or companies that provide goods and services, sells goods and services on you. Customers are individuals or organizations, those buy products and services from you. The basic structure of both of these centers are same. The only thing is that one is related to the account payable management, that's vendors, and the second one means customers. That this center is related to the account receivable management, account payable and account receivable. Okay, so to create a new customer, you will go and click on the new customer here. You can see on the preface or on the screen that actually this is almost the same information which we had studied in the vendor's profile also. So I will go a little brief in this video, as you are well aware of these informations, but some of the mandatory information I will just type in quickly, and rest we can save time. So let me give a name of a customer. Let's suppose the name of my customer is Basit Ali. He's the guy. And opening balance, so opening balance is actually the money which Basit owe to us. Okay, means this is our account receivable towards Basit. Let's suppose Basit has purchased a 2000 USD worth commodity, and Basit has not paid us yet. By which date actually Basit owe us this money? Let's suppose it is on 1st of January 2017. So I will just check in that one. Is there any name of the Basit? Means if let's suppose Basit is a representative of an organization. So what I will do is that I'm gonna type that name here. Let's suppose if the Basit is he's working in a company, and that company is ABC Plastics. That's the company. In case if it is a company, then my suggestion is that you can just delete the name of Basit from customer name also, and you can type in the name of the company too. But if that's Basit is an individual guy, so here and here you can just go for that one. If I consider this one as a company, so I will just have a company names here, and then I can type in the Basit here, like Mr. Basit Ali is our customer. What's the job title, what actually job he's doing actually in this company, and the name of the company is ABC Plastics. So maybe he is actually the purchase officer of this company. Then I will actually try to I will skip this section, because you are well aware, like the main number, work number, mobile number, fax number, the email address, and the CC email, website, and any other information. If actually the Skype ID or maybe any other information you want to add, you can add it here. Then you already know this details, address detail, this one, and the address detail of this shipment section here also, this one and this one. Actually, if you remember, they are same. Okay, and they are same as the vendors one. Okay, so I will just skip this portion, but you can type in address here, and even you can copy this address, and you can copy it here too. So it depends actually here. Then let's go to the payment tab of the customer's profile. In the payment tab, when the customer will actually pay us the money, so that money the customer is supposed to transfer to which account, means our account, we can type in here. Let's suppose our account is 1200-34567. This is the account number which we have given to this customer, so customer is supposed to transfer money into our account. Then what payment terms we have given to our customer. In vendors, we had it from our vendors. Here we are giving it to our customer. Let's suppose the payment term is 2 by 10 at 30. So 2% actually means that if the total number of days we got this customer got is actually 30 days, and he or she had, it's Basit, so it's he. Basit has actually a maximum of 30 days to return our money or give us the payment. But if let's suppose the Basit managed to give us the money in the first 10 days of the account receivable or the credit sales, well, we have promised them to give the company 2% discount on that. Then what method we prefer, that Basit should deliver us this what you say, the information and all these things. Like Basit has given us an option here, that not us, but we have given Basit an option that how do we communicate with you. So Basit has requested us that you can communicate via email to me or mails to me. Let's suppose we say that Basit have selected the email mode of communication. Then the preferred payment method. What would be the preferred payment method that actually we and our customer, both of them, are feasible with, or us we seem suitable? Let's suppose it's cash, that whenever Basit will pay money, he or she is supposed to pay us the money in cash. How much limit we have given to Basit? So let's suppose we say that we have actually given him $100,000 limit to Basit. So Basit actually can maximum purchase commodities on credit worth 100,000 USD. Price level, just like as if you remember for billing level, I had a separate video. We will have a separate video inshallah very soon on price level too. Okay, so for time being I will skip this price level what you see option here, and I can come here to the credit card information. Let us suppose that Basit has actually requested us that whenever I gonna pay you, I will pay you from my credit card here. Okay, so what I gonna do is that whatever the information of the credit card of the Basit is, I should type in here, like the credit card number. So you can type whatever the number is, actually, like it's suppose 11 22 33 44 55 66 77. That's the credit card number. When actually this credit card will expire, let's suppose it expires on 2019, first January 2019. What is the name written on the at the top of the title name on the card? For sure, if it is related to Basit, so his name will be there, Basit Ali. The address of that, the issuer's address, which company has actually issued that, the address and the zip code of the issuance place, the locality. So you can even type it here. That's simple, so I will not go for it. Okay, so that's it. That we are done with the payment tab. Let's go and move to the sales tab setting here. Okay, so this Basit, like what's the tax code of this thing? Is this guy a taxable guy, or this guy is a non-taxable guy? Like if it is this guy, actually it's actually a company, ABC Plastic Company. So whenever we sell a commodity on him, this guy is supposed to pay us the general sales tax or sales tax to us, or no, by law this company is exempted actually. So whatever best suits us, we're gonna select that one. If I select taxable sales, that whenever I sell a product or service on ABC Plastics or Basit Ali, so I gonna charge tax, the general sales tax from this guy. He has to pay us, the company has to pay it us. Okay, likewise you can go for, okay, if we gonna pay us some taxes, so what particular taxes we gonna pay? Let's if it is a GST, the general sales tax, so I'm gonna click on this one. Maybe actually yeah, let's go for this option, the general sales tax here. Then the resale number here. Okay, so resale number will only be used when actually I will select here that this guy is a non-taxable sales guy. So whenever I had a customer and that customer legally is not bound to pay me the sales taxes actually, which again, what you say at the end of the day, I will transfer it to the Ministry of Finance account. If it's this guy is a non-taxable guy, then for sure the government has given him a resale number. That number I'm gonna type in here, whatever that digits are actually, whatever the digits are, I will type in here. Okay, that would be the resale number. Now why there would be such facility for ABC Plastics here? It can be because maybe ABC not plastics here, but ABC is an NGO, or they're buying something for their personal consumption, on which the government says that there is no need to take any sales tax from this person. So resale number will only apply when I select here a non-taxable sales. But if I'm saying taxable sales, then okay, there is no need to type in anything here in resale number. Okay, so that's the use of the resale number. That's it, the sales tax tab. Let's go to the additional info tab. What type of customer this guy is he a consumer, or like is he from advertisement, is he a referral, is he a retailer, is he a wholesaler? Let's suppose ABC Plastic is a wholesaler from. Then wrap, the wrap one, wrap is actually the company who in my company is a sales representative or a representative connected with this company plastics. Okay, like in ABC Plastic, Basit is the guy who's the purchase officer, who is the sales officer in my company, who's connected with this one. Okay, so the referral, let's suppose I have one employee. I have already created actually an employee, Ahmad Hassan, in my before recording the video. So we will actually shortly go to the employees menu also. But let's suppose Ahmad is actually that guy, Ahmad Hussain is that guy who is my sales officer, and he is actually connected and had a relationship with the ABC Plastic. Then the job info, here actually, if let us suppose ABC Plastic is our customer, but currently we are not working on any job for ABC Plastics, so I would leave this tab as this, like empty. But if let us suppose at the time, like today, I'm creating a profile for Basit, and already there is a job that has been offered, what you say, by the ABC Plastics or Basits to us, that we had to manufacture some product for them, or we have to provide them some services. So I can give the details of those services here actually. Like let us suppose I'm working on manufacturing 100 school chairs. Okay, so it's that the ABC Plastics, they have ordered us to manufacture 100 school chairs for us. Let's suppose that's the job. What type of job it is actually? Is it a commercial job, residential job? Now ABC Plastic, is this ABC Plastic, are they buying these 100 school chairs like for resale purposes, or no, they're using it for their personal consumption? So obviously when I selected the type, if you remember the type of customer, so I selected wholesaler. So wholesaler means that for sure this guy will purchase these 100 chairs actually to sell it on other people. So I would go and click on the commercial one. Then what's the job status? Did I started working on this job? Is it pending, in progress, closed, not awarded? This will help me actually in tracking this customer job here. So let us suppose I have the job is in progress. Some of the shares are done, some of the shares are still in working process, and soon it will be manufactured. And as soon as it's manufactured, we're gonna transport it or deliver it to the address of the ABC Plastics, which I typed here in the address info. Then when I started working on this job, actually started working on this job from the very first day of this year. And when is the projected end date? Okay, so let's suppose I just took a 1 month time from him. So the projected date that I had to do to make sure to deliver these 100 shares is actually 31st January. End date, whenever this job will finish, I will just come back to this place and I will type that date whenever it is finished. It is possible that maybe I finish it on 28th of January. Maybe I go and take like 1 day extra and I finish it on 1st of February or 2nd of Feb, whatever it is. I'm gonna come back again here and I'm gonna type that date here too. Okay, so guys, this is actually how to create a customer profile. It's easy because we have already studied vendor's profile in quite a big detail. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I will just save this customer here. I will press OK. Once it's saved, the customer is created. You can check here, like currently I have 2 customers. One is the ABC Plastic, which I just created here in this video, and the next customer I have is the Mr. Mirwais Nazhat, which actually I created before recording the video. So this is how you create a customer's profile. I hope you liked the video. Stay safe and stay blessed.